Pepsi is one of the most popular beverages in the world. Pepsi is a carbonated soft drink manufactured by PepsiCo. Originally created and developed in 1893 by Caleb Bradham and introduced as Brad's Drink. It was renamed as Pepsi Cola in 1898 and then shortened to Pepsi in 1961. What do you need to prepare Pepsi? First and foremost, water, which in this case is sourced from one of the 4 sources of Oligocene water 250 meters underground. The water is subject to a thorough filtration process. The characteristic taste of Pepsi is created through adding the concentrate to water, the recipe of which has been the most closely guarded secret for over 100 years. The concentrate is produced only in 3 plants around the world. 20 types of syrups are prepared daily for production needs. The concentrate is mixed with water and sugar, although various flavors of Pepsi with no added sugar are also available. Now we have a ready drink and off to the bottling line we go. PET bottles are made from special plastic preforms. After heating, they go inside molds that give them the right shape. Then, they are blow molded. Everything is done extremely quickly. Now it's time to fill the bottles with the drink. All you have to do is add the cap and the label. At every stage of the production process, employees and special devices ensure that Pepsi always tastes the same. Individual batches of the product are meticulously controlled in the laboratory where technicians check many quality aspects, including whether the product contains the right amount of CO2 and sugar. The drink is ready for packaging. The only jumbo line in the world enables the packaging of various types of drinks on one Europallet. 6 robots set the number of bottles as ordered by the customer, and the packaging machine sets them on the pads and pallets ready for transport. There is also a line filling 0.2-liter returnable glass bottles. Its uniqueness lies in the fact that it can fill the bottles not only with carbonated drinks, but also teas and juices. Its type of packaging is most often selected by cafes and restaurants. Empty bottles are first washed and scalded. The high temperature also helps to remove the labels. You still need to check if the glass has not been damaged. Clean bottles are refilled and put into crates. Then they just wait to be picked up. Used packaging is one of the elements that contributes to the operation of eco-friendly plants. Aluminum cans are also a popular form of packaging. They come to the factory straight from the manufacturer. After loading the pallet onto the line, they are transported to the filler where the drink is dispensed. After pouring, the lid is applied and its edges are crimped. Then the cans are turned upside down. This way you can check if the packaging is tight. At the end of the line, the cans are turned over again and end up in cardboard trays. Today we can find it in almost every store in the world, in cafes and restaurants, including global chains. Pepsi is available in KFC, Pizza Hut, Burger King, and many more. In addition to Pepsi, PepsiCo produces 7-Up drinks, Mirinda, Schweppes, Lipton Iced Tea, Mountain Dew, as well as snacks. Lay's Crisps, Cheetos and Sunbites are their best KNWN snacks. If you liked this video, we're sure you'll like this one even more. Click to watch now.